What is good, guys? Welcome back to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. In this video we are breaking down a new meme coin which has just hit the crypto markets as the general meme coin space enters the $50 billion valuation yet again. There's still plenty of time in this market, and I think we've got another alt season and meme season potentially coming very soon. Let's see what could happen. But first of all, guys, I want to introduce you to this new token known as the meme games. They raised $100,000 in just minutes. Could meme games become the official 2024 Paris Olympics meme coin? Well, indeed it looks like it could. They've raised 122k in less than a day, and yeah, as soon as it hits $792,000, guys, the price is going to go up. So one meme games is $0.009. This new meme coin here has just hit the crypto space, launching on the 10th of September 2024 on DEX. It says buy now for a chance to win a 25% bonus. So do remember, this isn't financial advice at all, but this does look pretty hot. So they've already got their audit complete. As you can see, you can click out here through to their audit, which does show you that security is in the forefront of the mind. They've got a white paper as well, which I always advise you guys to do some research and due diligence. But here it is. So the meme games token opening ceremony. Light your torch for the inaugural meme game where crypto meme coin fanaticism meets the spirit of 2024 Olympics. Pick your favorite meme competitor and watch them go for gold to multiply your holdings. So here you can actually choose from a different few competitors. You've got PEPE, you've got Doge, you've got Brett, a few familiar furry faces. You've got Turbo and also Whiff, and you can actually bet on them effectively to have their race, and if they win it, you're going to get more tokens and more holdings. So you've got a bit of a play to earn gamification sort of side of this. It says the meme games token is where degen meme coin mania meets the spirit of the 2024 Olympics. Those who buy it now are prompted to select their favorite meme coin competitor avatar based on 5 of the sector's biggest projects. So it is a really fun flair, and I think they really want to be like a top 25 meme coin. You can see they've got all the different games here. It aligns really nicely with what's coming up in the real world, being the Olympic itself. And it says how to participate in the meme games. So you select the meme athlete you want to compete, buy meme games tokens to enter your competitor, then you watch and win if you get lucky. It says if your athlete wins the meme games event, you'll earn a bonus on your token purchase. Play the meme games as many times as you want, increase your chance of winning. So yeah, really easy to buy, guys. We've seen a few of these now. You connect your MetaMask wallet to your Web3 hot wallet, and you convert either Ethereum or Tether directly into your meme games tokens. Do remember, never risk more than you can afford to lose. Always do it comfortably. But yeah, this could be a good project here. It looks like it's very marketable. They've of course got a lot of cash flow if they're already getting themselves out on articles and starting to push through to the crypto space. Tokenomically, 2 billion tokens. As you can see the breakdown here, pre-sale get 38% of those. So 2 billion is not a lot of tokens at all for a meme coin, which is why you're not going to get massive inflation and also have trillions of coins like PEPE did at the start, and then have a price with like tons of zeros. But yeah, it's good fun. You can see August 28 to Sep 8 2024, you're going to get the para meme games as well, which is really cool to see. And just overall a fun looking sort of witty sort of meme coin here. There's also the offer to stake at 3,840% APY. We're going to get 38.5 rewards per Ethereum block, which is really big reward as well. If you get in early, you stake for 2 months straight, you could get some really big rewards. You could potentially even generate a positive ROI on the original tokens that you put in. First tweet says, welcome to the meme games, the ultimate battle where your favorite memes do whatever it takes to win gold. Time to grab meme games by the balls, choose your champion and score a 10% bonus if they win. Let the games begin. So I'll leave you guys down to do your research. Have a look at that link down below. See if you like this particular ICO before people FOMO in. People will FOMO into this. It's in stage 1, so you get to get in at the lowest possible price, which gives you an advantage against people that do get in later on for the pre-sale. So yeah, guys, that's a wrap with this 99 Bitcoins video. Hope you did enjoy it. Do like this video, comment down below what you want to see next, and see you soon.